Yeah, man, we back. Shit, man. Y'all already know. Back with another episode, man. Shit, doing business with Kingsley, you dig? Hey, man, it's getting better and better every time. More confidence. That's the way it be. I'm glad y'all rocking with me. Whoever seen my videos, just keep on. I'm gonna keep consistent every single day with this shit. So, but like again, if y'all new to the motherfucking channel, if y'all new to the wave, hey, press start. That's my business. That's my brand. That's lifestyle. You feel me? I'm speaking on right now. I'm straight by business, straight by getting money, straight by information, insight for the people that want to know about how to start business, how to do that. You feel me? And the do's and the don'ts and what you're not to do and what you're supposed to do. If you understand, you understand, man. But shit, a couple episodes ago, I was talking about promotion, about, growing your audience, you feel me? And starting off with what direction I think you should go, you feel me? And everything, Alright. So this is gonna come down to, like, you feel me? When you start your business, it's gonna come down to, like, how to grow your business, how to you feel me, finance your business, you feel me, inventory, all them things like that. So most definitely find a vendor, or you feel me, a distributor or manufacturer or something like that, you feel me. Once you get that, you feel me, where you can get the product, you feel me, put the product, get a good amount of product, you feel me, a good amount where, like, shit, not cutting your pockets, but most definitely you can make sales and still have enough where people, like, can see multiple, where you can create sales, you feel me. You don't want to see people have one thing. I feel like you should have multiple. So, like, if you're only dealing with a couple of money, have like 3 of everything or some shit like that. You feel me? It's pretty dope. So don't go too big. You feel me? On your budget, just start small. You feel me? Let it grow. You feel me? Most definitely. So when you get with dealing with these vendors, man, make sure you build a connection. Make sure you build relationships. Also, there's different ways of vendors you can ask for, like assignment. It's something like that. So you can get the shit first, you feel me, make the sales and pay them back. I don't know if that happened over, like, time or building a relationship with people. You feel me? And they know that what you can do and how much money you brought to their company. They probably be on that shit. But in the beginning, I haven't experienced that. So I just pay for my shit, get my wholesales, send out my products, send off my wholesale list and all that. You feel me? So also when you're dealing with vendors, you do have to send off, like, wholesale. Most of them ask for, like, my store location. We're dealing with certain places, you feel me? Probably high end, they ask for, like, a store, so you can you ain't trying to make money offline on that ass, you feel me? But nah, I got a store location, so I give them my store location. I send them pictures of my store. With these pictures, I send them my tax ID, you feel me? And they search all these things, you feel me? Make sure I'm legit with the same name under my business, you feel me? And we in there, you feel me? And that shit, they once they approve you to wherever little thing site they got where you can check out their catalog. You check out their catalog, make sure y'all start with y'all check out the catalog, man. Don't be getting like I know y'all want to see get the dopest shit, but nah, get some smart shit where you can sell, you feel me? It feel like a branded, get the simple branded shit, build your shit, man. I jump right into, like, the dope shit. I want the hot pieces, but I should have went for, like, the small pieces and created more of a collection of that brand. You feel me? Wherever company that you getting your vendor from, create a good collection of that. You feel me? So don't try to go for the most top pieces and try to get one of them. Go for, you feel me, where you can get, like, quantity over quality. Quantity. You feel me? So the same shit. Just go for more. You feel me? So if you can get a couple brand t-shirts like I did, you feel me? And that'd be a better investment, because you got like 7 people can come to the store instead of, like, 2 people, because you want to buy some high-end shit. You feel me? You got 7 buyers instead of 2 buyers, and you're trying to grow. So you feel me? The more buyers, you feel me, not about the money. So it's about growing. So the more buyers, the more attention on your business, the more all that. You feel me? So That's a good thing to think about when you're dealing with the collections, man. Make sure, you feel me, make sure that shit added up. Don't go overboard, don't go crazy and try to buy the top shit because you just want to have the dopest shit, unless you can afford it. If you can afford it, yeah, cool. But if you're growing, man, grow small. Even if you can afford it, still grow small, man. You feel me? That's even better. So, lesson learned, bro. I wish somebody could teach me this. Yeah, I wish I paid attention, but I'm still trying this shit. I'm still doing this shit. So, what else, man? So when you get these things, when you get them in store, you feel me? Make sure you doing like product pictures and stuff. You feel me? Make sure you do some dope product pictures and build your Instagram and your like promotion wise, whatever it is, platforms. Build that motherfucking quality. So do your product pictures. Make sure you do your inventory, where you put in all these things in inventory where you know the cost of everything to get sold. The goods are sold. Make sure product pictures and put them in inventory. You feel me? I deal with a program that did, and I had all that where I can do it all in one system, where I can sign employees. Was Lightspeed, man. Lightspeed A1. You feel me? So I recommend you to get that Lightspeed. You feel me? You can put your pictures in there. You can put your products, item in, put the cost of them all right when you get it. When you get the stuff, put it in there. You feel me? Like, and then like if they do get sold, they do come up missing, all that. You got like you got everything, like all your money in that motherfucker. You can add it all up. As long as they put it in there, it's gonna be good. You feel me? So you know you put it in the right way, and you just motherfucker stay on top of things, man. Now you set up. You feel me? Make sure you got your credit card machine set up. You feel me? Now you good. You rolling. You got images and stuff in there. You feel me? You got, you got your products in store. You just bought from your manufacturer. You got your products in the store. You feel me? You got them in the computer. You feel me? You ready to go. Yo, man. Now you just crazy. Now you ready for that motherfucking sales and just keep on at it. You feel me? Now you mix that promotion in with this. You feel me? Good product ready to go. You feel me? Everything organized. Man, I'm telling you, gonna win. And then stay consistent. I'm telling you, man. We're gonna get real more organized with these things I'm shooting at you, these ideals, and just keep on giving to you straight off the top, man. But most definitely, man, it's real simple, but it ain't simple. And I'm really just giving you these small details because I don't want you to like. This is things that I really like. The little things was things I was stumbling over. You feel me? Like buy small. Okay, cool. You feel me? Put everything in the inventory. Make sure you keep a tab of everything. You feel me? Shit. When I'm dealing with vendors type stuff. You feel me? Like how to come at them, how to get sales. I mean, how to get their products, get deals and stuff like that. Man. Also, just. It was different. Like at the time, I didn't even know where to find a vendor at. You feel me? I had to do my research. It was online, so I went to like trade shows and stuff like that. And I finally found out there was the lick at trade shows. I'm like, okay, let me go to these trade shows. Like this free game. You feel me? So I went to the trade shows, made it happen, and came back, bought a product. You feel me? My vendor. You feel me? Once I bought a product, you feel me? I try to come up with a nice amount of money to spend. Try to get the most. I was hard-headed. I got the dopest shit. You feel me? What the fuck else we did, man? And then when we got in the store, man, we was, you feel me? I ain't put in, I'm just sitting stuff out, selling where I go, out the door, putting shit in my car. Nah, man, you gotta have that shit right. You feel me? So, be organized. That's the way you need to be. That's the way it should be. And it's easier that way. But y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy Kingsley again, and we did it. So press start, man, and we're gonna keep at it with this shit, man.